Hey guys, this is Dave from notesandvolts.com, and you are here because you own one of these Behringer mixers and you have a horrible high frequency hiss that is driving you crazy. So here's how I fixed mine. So let's first of all take a listen to the hiss that I'm talking about. And if you own one of these mixers, you're probably all too familiar with it. So I'm going to mute my mic and also turn the main faders down to show you that nothing changes. Oh, isn't that lovely? Okay, so there it is. So how do we get rid of it? So fortunately, the fix is very simple, and here's what helped me. I hope it's going to help you as well. Go to the speaker icon on the bottom right of your Windows toolbar and right click and choose recording devices. All right, that will bring up your sound properties window. So make sure that the recording tab is selected and then scroll down and find your device. And here it is. And I'm using the standard ASIO drivers that came right from the Behringer website, so I did nothing fancy with new drivers or anything like that. Right click on your source and select properties. Now go to the levels tab and you'll probably find that it's set at 100%. Now let's listen while I drop this just 5% and hear the difference it makes. So I'll mute my mic again. All right, so that's better. It sounds a lot better, and I didn't lose a lot of level, and I can always compensate by raising my main faders up a little bit. So here's my level back. Now, for an even more dramatic difference, you can lower the levels even a little more. So I run mine at around 80%, and that still leaves me a lot of room on the board to boost. So let's try that, and we'll hear the difference that makes. Okay, so let's adjust the levels again. So I'm going to bring my mic back up to where it was, which is about there. And there you go. Much better. So anyways, guys, this really helped me out, made this mixer a lot better to use, and I hope it's going to help you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.